Maiden Flight 70mm F-22 Raptor. Got the 6S 4050 cell back as far as it will go. So let's give it a shot. Yep.
High Alp, mid race.
Okay, taking off. Oh, and it's raining. Whoa. I'm gonna put it on low rate here. Seemed a little finicky on that takeoff. Oh shit. We're good. Whoa, she is... I'm not sure what's going on here. She's acting a little funny. What do you mean? It's just a little rain. Okay, out of safe. Nice. That was nice. That's low rates. That was low rates. See what my timer says. I got 1:32 left. See? It's not supposed to be doing that. I don't know, man. It's weird. It's got the rudder. It's got... I think I got to turn the rudder... I got to get rid of some rudder. I got too much rudder. I haven't tried the flaps yet. Get a little high and try those. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I don't have a mix in the rudder. In the flaps. I gotta fix that. Alright, I'm gonna land here. I've got 40 seconds left, so I'm gonna try a landing approach. Shouldn't be an issue. This thing's flying really good when the rudder isn't causing it to try to pitch over. Got what? Well, the rain never hurt anything. That was a 3.5 minute flight time. Battery's a little warm, not bad. Yeah, I got my glasses. 37%, 3.81. It's good at 3.5 on 4,000.
Wow.
So 3,200 again, all the way back. I turned the rudder down a little bit.
Oh, it's an interface.
So now, yeah, 3,200 all the way back. And again, it's still raining. Still too much rudder. I think that's still too much rudder. That's on high. I'll go to mid rates. That's still a lot of rudder. All right, let's give it a try. My T7A, if I give it just it only needs a little bit of rudder to do a lot. So take it off. See the water come out of that?
Yeah. That looks cool.
Gear up.
It's a little tail heavy, I think. That's okay. There's rudder. That's good.
Enhance.
I can't see where I'm at. There we go. Okay, so it's probably nose heavy even.
High alpha.
I did. It was dropping down. Yeah. Oh, my rudder's off. Oh, hold on. I got a trim issue. I didn't notice.
Enhance.
Well, I didn't think I had an issue. Oh shit, I got a big issue.
High alpha. Enhance. High alpha.
Oh shit, I can't see it.
Coming back. Oh, you're in the clouds. Bring it down. You're in on the clouds. There you go. You're coming at you. You're in the clouds.
They're kind of low.
Wow.
Enhance. 1 minute.
Okay, I gotta land it.
High alpha.
No, I'm gonna run out. I only got a 32 in it. I don't want to run out of juice.
Gear down.
Well, one pass ain't gonna hurt. I'll do a gear pass.
Timer expired.
Okay. Yeah, that was just a landing gear test. I did that on purpose just to show you how strong the landing gear was. I should have come in under a little bit of power. I was trying to glide it in and that wasn't gonna work. Well, gliding's fine, but I was too far away. Look at the water coming out of it.
Small ones don't land like the big ones, huh?
Yeah, this one, you know, it's just a little more, you got to put a little more finesse into it.
Gotta fly to the ground.
It's a little lighter, right? So it behaves a lot more, gives you a lot more of this, where the big ones are more heavier and they can kind of just, you get them on a glide slope and they stay in it.
Still in great shape.
It's fine. Oh, that wasn't that hard. Wasn't that hard enough to do any damage.
Never know. I want to check it. Is this what's the problem with it landing?
It's just,
You got used to the big ones?
yeah, it's not like a big one.
Little ones are harder to land. Always.
Plus, it's a weird angle for me standing on the runway. I usually don't do that because there's people here. 22%, 3.75.
Oh, it's because you did the runaround.
Huh?
Good. That was the Spectrum.
Yeah,
How hot is it?
it's not bad.
Oh no.
I check in the CG.
Okay.
It's not like I got much choice.
Yeah, don't put the 5,000 in there.
It recommends a
said.
5,000.
4,000.
The book says
35 to
5,000.
5. I know, but if you watch Two Brothers, he said he doesn't recommend to put a 5 in there.
He don't know what he's doing.
Oh,
Just kidding, John. You're awesome if you ever see this. Shit, I wish I could fly like John. I'd have a freaking sponsorship from somebody.
Gotta get some more stuff.
All right, here we go. 6,000, or yeah, 6S 5,000. 50C.
Throttle on.
4.5 minutes out of it.
Take it off. Look at the water come out of that thing. That's so cool.
Gear up. Enhance.
Look at that. That's a tight.
High alpha.
I don't know. We can try it. Let's see. I gotta get it. I gotta get her straightened out here.
Enhance.
No, I don't know. I don't know how to do one.
High alpha. Enhance. High alpha.
Seems like I get a high alpha, all right. Oh shit. Damn. There's a cloud right there. I don't know if you noticed that. I think I like it. I gotta get used to it. This is only the, what, third flight? No.
Gear down.
Not till I get used to it, man. I ain't used to it yet. These clouds are making me nervous. You can't tell where they are. Oh shit, I didn't set my timer. I gotta land it. Yeah, a little hydroplane there. I'm gonna suck all that water out. Blow all that water out, whatever. Alright. So that's it. Before I take it home. Let's dry it out.
Timer reset.
I didn't get that one on.
Camera's still rolling?
Oh man, I think it's fried.
Camera?
Yeah.
It's what kind of waterproof a little bit.
Let's see.
You're used to the big ones. You don't do any flare or nothing with these little ones, man. You just drop it, bam. Who's gonna get this one?
27%. 3.79 looks like 3.78. I can't see.
I'm gonna get this sticker. I got it.
Which one?
That